Namaste friends, welcome to my channel Desi Pana. In today's video, I will talk about Tata Tea Estate in Munnar. History of tea in India. Tea production, certified exportation and all facts of the tea trade in India are controlled by Tea Board of India. Tata Tea Museum, Nalathalli State, Munnar. The KDHP Tea Museum is an industry and historical museum situated in Munnar, a town in the Udupi district of Kerala in South India. Tata Tea Museum, its official name, but it's also known as Nalathalli Estate, where it is located on Kannandevan Hills. Tea processing. Tea processing is the method in which leaves from the tea plant Similia sinensis are transformed into the dried leaves for brewing tea. Tea processed step by step. There are 7 main tea making process steps, but the extent to which each one is used in different depending on the type of tea manufacturing. First point, plucking the tea leaves. Second point, letting the tea leaves within. Third point, rolling, touring or crushing the tea leaves. Fourth point, oxidizing the tea leaves. Fifth, sixth, drying the tea leaves. Seventh, shorting the tea leaves. Indian tea culture. India is the second largest production of tea in the world after China, including the famous Assam tea and Darjeeling tea. Tea is the state drink of Assam. So, as you can see, this is the last form and powdery form of tea. Many people are packing inside the packages and putting them for parceling, and they are ready to go in orders. You can see many big bags of teas, and this is the final process of it. You can see the tea journey all over the world. It can come the tea manufacturing process in India and all. So there are white tea, olive tea, black tea, green tea, yellow tea, and there are many more trees. You can see there is a big factory over there, and many boxes are there for packaging to give the orders. So that's Tata Tea Premium. The brand is Tata Tea Premium. So you can if you are going to Munnar, so you can take this and you can just enjoy the drink. So thanks for watching my video. Please share, subscribe and like to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.